Hi, I'm Marna, and we went on a Bratz doll hunt this morning. What is a Bratz doll hunt? I went looking for some Bratz dolls. It was garage sale morning. We didn't find any, so we went to the antique mall, I don't know, 30 miles or so from here, because I had seen one that I was hoping was still there. Guess what? She was. These dolls are so beautiful, and that's what made me decide I needed more. Now this one's hair is going to need to be washed and perhaps even have the hot iron drug across it. We'll see. Look at this outfit. Isn't that the cutest? Well, I'm not sure she has anything underneath that. She does not. But look at the face on that doll. They're just so beautiful. She had feet. I was happy about that. And in the same bin, and I was hoping, well, actually I was hoping for more than two, but two is what I found, was this beautiful doll. Again, we'll take care of the hair. What we got going on here? A little tag. So they paid $2 and I paid $2.50. Not bad, huh? I thought it was good. They have, this one has clothes. Oh my. This one has clothes and her little feet. Feet pop off and you can change them. We're going to have a video coming up about 3D brat feet and how you can paint them, and if you lost a foot, it takes its place. While we were there, we got some other stuff, of course. Okay, when you look at this, I paid $0.25 for each of these. What do you see? House cleaning equipment or craft items? For me, they're craft items. 25 cents for all these feathers, and I can make all kinds of stuff, and these are good long feathers. So that was kind of fun. I got those, and they had more, but I didn't buy them. And I have the Baby Alive to dress, and 4th of July is coming, so I wanted that. I hope that fits the 17-inch Baby Alive, but if it doesn't, I'm okay with it. That'd be cute for my 38-inch Barbie. And look how cute this is. Buttons twice, wear a little shirt under there, little baby outfit. Isn't this cute for Barbie? Little summer top. And then, I don't know, I just thought this was adorable. And I don't know if it'll be on a 17-inch Baby Alive or on the 38-inch Barbie. Those Barbie dolls have such a good figure. It's incredible. They had these shoes. They're actually 18-inch doll shoes. 4th of July is coming, and what better than sparkly blue shoes for either my 18-inch dolls, or these will also fit, I can't remember if it's Chatty Baby or Tiny Baby. I think it's Chatty Baby. And I'm going to see if that fits the 17-inch Baby Alive doll. I kind of think it will. When I was cleaning my Baby Alives, when I brought them home after my Baby Alive hunt, I needed a small funnel, and I did not have one. In the same booth as the Bratz, this guy had, and I know it's a guy because I've talked to him before, not only these little Tupperware, vintage Tupperware funnels, which are just the perfect size. I mean, that's just perfect. But he also had some other things. So I got this in case I needed to strain some Baby Alive food before feeding. And I like melons. I got a melon ball. And then I got this for two little boyfriends of mine. They're just young boys. I thought they were cute, and they were $0.25 each. So there you go. It was just a fun morning for our brat hunt that I was successful on. Please tell me, when was the last time you found a Bratz doll at a thrift store, flea market, or garage sale, and what was the best price you ever paid for one? Please leave a like and subscribe.